Instagram where the movie started. Facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
What happened? Are you that unfit?
No, I got a spasm. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You better not put that in the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my 9th birthday and I'm going to be doing a present haul of all the presents that I've gotten. So guys, I will not be saying names of who the present is from, but when you see your present, you will probably recognize it. I also just want to say thank you to everyone that has given me a gift. I'm very thankful, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the first gift I'm going to start with is this one. So it's in a nice little thing. It says party. So yeah. Ooh, we got a model book. It's a doggy one. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice little doggy booklet. Okay. And then in here, it's a unicorn pencil case, guys. That's amazing. And I feel something inside, so, wow. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. I literally wanted one of these pens, and there's like not even one. It's not even just one. Like there's literally 3 of these guys. That's amazing. And then we have more stuff coming up. Ooh, what's this? Bath bombs, guys. That's like my favorite thing. So we have 6 bath bombs in here. Blue, pink, and purple. Oh my gosh, guys, this one's heavy. What is this? A beach beauty set. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. Oh, it says on the back. So it has like a loafer, foam bath, body lotion, and body wash. That's amazing, guys. You can see here. That's amazing. So yeah, that's the first present done. Okay, guys. So the next present is this one. Ooh, it looks cool. Oh, such a nice little bag. Okay, so the first thing we have is some lip balm. Ooh, and lip scrub. That's cool. And then we have a hair towel and a detangling hairbrush. And it's rose gold. I mean, who doesn't love rose gold? And more bath bombs, guys. You know, I really love bath bombs, so I mean, this is a win. So, and this is the card. Yeah, it's a nice little card. Okay guys, so the next present we're going to open is this one. It's in a nice brown bag. Okay, so, ooh, a tie-dye kit, guys. This is amazing. I wanted one of these. Okay guys, so if you don't know what a tie-dye kit is, so a tie-dye kit is basically where you get like food coloring sort of, and you basically dye whatever you want. So like you can, like you color it basically. So like you normally twist it up in any way, and then you put it with rubber bands, and then you put the tie-dye in whichever space you want it, and then you get this cool pattern. You let it dry and you get cool patterns. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm gonna be taking is this one. Oh, it looks really nice. So it has a little happy birthday balloon. That's nice. And then, oh my gosh, guys, we have a rainbow corn, but instead it's a fairy corn, guys. This is like the bomb, literally. I mean, yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, guys, so next we're gonna be opening this one. This one looks pretty big. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. It's one of these cups. It's Itty Bitty Pretties. This is really cool. This is amazing. So I've never actually gotten this. It looks like a doll thing though. Yeah, it's like a little doll thing, as you can see on the back here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay guys, so the next present we're going to be opening is this one. It comes in a nice little Barbie bag. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, we have some cotton candy, fluffy stretchy slime. That looks amazing. Yeah, that's cool. And then we have cotton candy color mix surprise. That's cool. So you collect some things in this one. Make a surprise color. That's really cool, guys. And then the last thing, oh guys. So you know how I did one of those color revealing Barbies, like the big one with the wig and everything? Well, this one's a small one. It's like a Chelsea doll. So that's really cool. Okay guys, so the next present is this one. It says happy birthday on the front with a couple of presents. Ooh, so in this one, oh my gosh guys, this is like my dream. So these are like bracelets. So they're almost like Lego dots. But it's basically like you take these things over here and you put them onto like anything, like bracelets, like BFF, whatever. Like you can make a rainbow, you can literally make anything. And these are really cool, so yeah. Okay guys, so the next present is going to be this one. Ooh, this one's heavy, okay. Okay, so there's some nice little cards. Oh, that's cute guys, look at that. Nice little puppy. Oh, so sweet. Okay, and then we have, ooh, be like a mermaid and sees the day. That's cool. Oh, so it's like a body wash and a body lotion. Okay, and then, oh my gosh guys, shimmer spray. This is literally shimmer spray, hair and body. Like that's amazing guys. Oh, a little notebook. It's a nice little notebook with a little unicorn. And then, oh, that's just tissue paper. Oh my gosh, guys, what are these? Remember these? Oh yeah, those are little lip balm. And then the last thing we have is foam bath. That's really cool. Okay, guys, so the next present is going to be this one. Nice red bag. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, this is literally so cool. So it says cool sprays. Oh, so you can make different kind of sprays. That's cool. Yeah, because I mean, who doesn't like to make sprays? Okay guys, so the next present is this one. This one looks really nice. I wonder what it is. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys, it's literally a water bottle. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't even understand. I needed a new water bottle, guys. This is like amazing. Nice, yeah, it's a flask, guys. That's cool. And I needed a new water bottle, so guys, this is the bomb. Okay, guys, so the next present is going to be this one. This one. Okay, guys, so it's a nice little wrapping paper. Really nice. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, it's literally a Lego set. That is amazing. Lego friends, guys. So cool. Oh my gosh. It's like a little kind of like theater, I think, like a show. That's really cool, guys. Okay, guys, so the next one is going to be this one. Okay, feels nice and heavy. Oh, I wonder what it is. Okay, we got a box. I see some arts and crafts. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, it's literally acrylic paints. That's so cool, guys, because the thing is, I needed new paints. Comes with paintbrushes. It's amazing. Like, I mean, look at this, guys. Just look. Okay, guys, so the next one is this one. Because this one and this one go together, so. Okay, maybe it's like a temperature or something, because like, okay. Yeah, I think it might be a temperature, guys. I don't know. A temperature. I don't know. I don't know. What am I supposed Okay,
How
let's.
does it go with that paint set?
Okay, I don't know if it goes with it or not.
But you said it goes with it.
No, but like it's from the same people. I think maybe it's like an easel. It's a tripod. This tripod.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a.
Figure it out.
What does it say? Okay, guys. So I just figured this out. It does go with this because it's a easel for your canvas. So yeah, you can like fold it up and everything, guys. This is amazing. Thank you to whoever gave me this. Okay guys, so the next present is going to be this one right here. Okay, so have a nice little bow. Let's see. Ooh, some art things I can see. Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh, guys! So we have acrylic paint right here. That's nice. Have some paints and a coloring book, guys. Oops. A coloring book. That's amazing. Okay guys, so the next present is this one. Okay. So, gotta really rip this one. How much layers does it have? Like, jeez. It's a lot of paper, guys. Oh, clothes. This is, I knew it, guys. It's literally clothes. Lots of tie-dye. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, so this is the last present. It's a big deal, guys. It's pretty heavy. I think I know what it is, but I'm not going to spoil it. It's not working. Yep. Yep! That's it! That's it! It's it, guys! It's it! There we go. iPhone 11, guys! Okay guys, so I'm going to be opening the iPhone 11. Okay, so let's open you. Oh my god, guys, this is so fun. Oh jeez, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. The moment of truth. Okay, well, that's why I'm going to people. Okay, guys, this is the moment of truth. We're peeling off the plastic. Okay, this. So cute, guys. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the present haul. So yeah. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that gave me a gift. I'm really grateful. I love them all. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because there are going to be a lot of other videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and bye!